I've had this thing for, I don't know, a few months now. And rather than, worrying about this battery being dead and trickle charging it, I forgot I always had this trickle charger. And them are a pair of cheap jumper cables. I drilled a hole in the floor, hole in the top of the toolbox, ran the jumper cables through. The blue tape tells me that's positive. Hooked it up and got it on blink mode right now. So that's slow charge. And just keep it plugged in. And it keeps the battery charged up. And I ain't got to keep worrying about it if it's going to start and I need to move it. So, got a hole saw cut through the floor. 1/2-inch drill, punch 2 holes in top of the toolbox. And we're good to go.